No, I don't mean to be cruel.
Today we'll be making glossy slime, and guys, the slime is so silky and smooth to squish, so let's get started. For this slime, we'll need to prepare one clear slime and one white slime. So first, the clear slime. Start by mixing in clear glue and water. Next, we want to activate the slime, and the activator mix I like to use is half a teaspoon of borax mixed with 1 cup of warm water. Mix it in well before adding in the activator. Then continue to mix by stirring and massaging the slime. Finally, store the slime away for 3 days for the bubbles to clear up. The second slime to prepare is the white slime. Mix in white glue with lotion and baby oil. So guys, the lotion will soften the slime and the baby oil will give it a glossier look. Then it's time to activate the slime. Once the clear slime has cleaned up, we'll mix the two slimes together. And at this point, it should look pretty glossy. For this first time, we'll add a bit of pink coloring to get a cute strawberry color. Let's get squishing. guys, here's the same glossy slime with teal coloring and it looks so pretty. You can make the slime with any color, guys, but I thought these two colors looked the cutest. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this slime. Let me know what you think of it, and don't forget we post 3 videos on this channel a week, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notifications. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Love you! Mwah!